Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami box with a lid. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Open it and then from the other side repeat the step and press it well. Now fold each corner towards the midpoint according to the crease. The second one, press it well. The third one, press it well, and finally the fourth and press it well too. Now fold it and press well. Now repeat the step from the other side, folding it and pressing well. Equalize the corners. Open it. Now fold it from the other side, repeating the steps. Now fold it according to the crease. Then from this side and press well. From here and like this, press it well. Then from the other side repeat the step. Open the fold and press it well. Now open all the folds. Sharp the corners. Now we have to form a paper box. Fold it inwards like this and press well. Then from the other side repeat the step. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the class of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now we have to craft the lid. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves from both the sides and press them well. Now from the other side, as we have said, press it well. Now fold one side towards the middle crease and then the other. Now from the corner, fold right angle triangles and press them well. Press it, now turn it, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now towards the middle crease, fold it from both the sides and press. Now fold triangle from both the sides so that it may given the shape of the box lid. All the fold should be pressed elegantly. Alright, now form the corners. Again fold it outwards. Then from the other side, you have to repeat these steps again. It's nearly done. Now close the box and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.